Hello and welcome to the Let's Learn project. This is our series of solution videos on the BECE 2026. The previous video we solved the question 1b, so this is the video on the question 1c. The question says that a typist charges 68 cedis for the first 8 sheets typed and 11 cedis for each additional sheet. Calculate the amount earned if the typist typed a total of 35 sheets. So there is this particular typist that whenever you bring your sheets to him or her to type, the first 8 sheets that he or she will type, she's going to charge 68 cedis. And then any additional sheet, she's going to charge what? 11 cedis. So let's try and solve this. Let's get our data first. So we can see that the total sheets typed, the total sheets that she typed was 35. So 35 sheets. So it means someone brought 35 sheets for our typist to type. And we know that she charges what? 68 cedis for the first 8 sheets. So amount for the first 8 sheets, amount for first 8 sheets that we know is what? 68 Ghana cedis. So they brought 35 sheets, and the first 8 sheets that the typist will type, she's going to charge this amount, 68 cedis. So we need to know the number of what? Additional sheets that will be left after typing the first 8 sheets. So we can see that additional sheets. And how do we get the additional sheets? If she has already typed 8 sheets out of the 35, it means the additional sheets are going to be 35 minus what? 8. And that is going to give us 27. So the additional sheets is going to be 27. And we know that she charges 11 cedis per each additional sheet. So charge per additional sheet. Charge per additional sheet we know is what? 11 Ghana cedis. So if you want to know the total charge on the 27 sheets, or the total charge on the 27 additional sheets, so total charge on 27 additional sheets. Charge on 27 additional sheets. That is going to be 11 cedis multiplied by 27. So let's do our simple multiplication on this side. 27 times 11. So we can have 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 2 is 2. Then we move here, 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 2 is 2. Then we do our addition here. We have 7, 9, 2. So it means the charge on the additional sheets is going to be 297 297 Ghana cedis. So this is the charge on the additional sheets. This is the charge on the first 8 sheets. So if we want to know the total amount that the typist earned, we have to add the amount that, or the charge that she got from the 8 sheets and the charge that she got on the 27 additional sheets. That is, we have to add this amount to this amount. So first 8 sheets, or the amount earned on the first 8 sheets, plus the amount earned on the 27 additional sheets. So we say that total amount earned, total amount earned implies that is the amount on the first 8 sheets, which is 68 cedis, plus the amount earned on the additional sheets, which is what? 297 Ghana cedis. So let's do our addition here. We can use this side as our jotter. 297 plus 68 cedis. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 5 carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 6 is 16. So 6 carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So it means the total amount that the typist will earn after typing 8 first sheets and 27 additional sheets, a total of 35 sheets, is going to be 365 Ghana cedis. So you say that therefore the typist earned 365 Ghana cedis. They asked you a question. They said, calculate the amount earned if the typist typed a total of 35 sheets. So the amount that was earned after typing the 35 sheets, the first 8 sheets is, she charges what? 68 cedis for the first 8 sheets. And then any additional sheets, she will charge what? 11 cedis. So 11, the additional sheets, you get the additional sheets by subtracting the 8 sheets from the total number of sheets, which is 35. When you do that, you get 27 sheets. So every sheet out of these 27 sheets, she charges 11 cedis. So if you want to know the total amount that she will get from the additional sheets, it means you have to multiply the 11 cedis by the total number of additional sheets, which is 27. When you do that, you get 297. And then 297 of cedis from the additional sheets plus 68 cedis from the first 8 sheets. When you put them together, you get 365 Ghana cedis. So that is how much the typist will earn after typing the 35 total number of sheets. If this is your first time joining our channel, kindly consider subscribing and sharing to your friends to also help them learn. See you in another video. The next video is going to be on the question 2 of the BECE 2026. So kindly join us in that video. See you soon. Bye.